Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys a really quick vegan snack that I like to make for myself. It's really delicious and really healthy. Here we go. I know it's odd, we're going to use sprouts here. Either alfalfa sprouts or, I believe these are Clover Sprouts, yep. So this is going to be the base of our salad. It's a really delicious ingredient once you mix it with all these other things that I'm about to mix it with. Next step is grapeseed oil. Going to add some walnuts for texture, a little bit of protein, a little bit of more healthy fats. Some garbanzo beans for some protein as well. Going to sprinkle some salt. Some fresh cracked pepper. One more small drizzle of grapeseed oil. We're going to go ahead and squeeze a half lemon on it as well. There we have it.